Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make meatballs in a lemon sauce with just 6 ingredients. It's quick, easy, and a change from the usual meatballs in tomato sauce. We'll need 1 pound of ground chicken or turkey. Just make sure you don't get the extra lean version. We need some fat. Half a medium yellow onion grated. I just used my box grater. Flat leaf parsley, a little more than 1/4 cup. We'll need it for the meatballs and for the sauce. Fresh lemons. The zest will go into the meatballs and the juice will go into the sauce. We'll also need olive oil to fry the meatballs and a cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. Usually I zest the lemon with a rasp, but it was in the dishwasher, so I used a peeler and finely chopped the rind. That's definitely the way to go because the meatballs had more lemon flavor. Juice the lemons afterwards, and this will go into the sauce. To make the slurry, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water. Put the ground turkey in a bowl. Add salt, ground black pepper, the onion, parsley, and lemon zest. Mix that up. Use an ice cream scoop to get even-sized meatballs. You'll get about 12. We'll heat up a wide pan and add olive oil, just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. When the oil's hot, put the meatballs in gently and fry them on all sides until brown, about 10 minutes. I did this in 2 batches. Meatballs are all done, now we'll make the sauce. Get rid of any remaining oil in the pan. Pour in 1½ cups of water. Scrape out all the fond or brown bits that have all the flavor. Lemon juice goes in, salt and pepper to taste. When it comes to a boil, add the meatballs. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes to fully cook them. Add the cornstarch slurry slowly while stirring. Let this boil for a minute just to cook out the raw taste of the cornstarch. Add some chopped parsley. These saucy and satisfying meatballs are great over pasta, mashed potatoes, or rice. Try this easy recipe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.